Very good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Students, we are dealing with the chapter triangles, in which we started with the second part of the syllabus, wherein we learned basic proportionality theorem, its statement, and its converse part. Also, we dealt with one of the corollary associated with basic proportionality theorem. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
depending on BPT, its converse and its corollary, we are going to start solving the problems from the second exercise. That is, what is the exercise number, beta?
6.2, sir.
6.2.
Exercise 6.2. Okay, let me start the proceedings with Anandita. Can you hear me, beta? Vaishnavi, audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read out the first question, beta. Quick, first main.
Yes, sir. In the figure 6.17, first and second D is parallel to BC. Find EC in first and AD in second.
Okay, look at the question, what they're talking about. In figure 6.17, 1 and 2, it means they have given the two diagrams. DE is parallel to BC. In both the diagrams, DE is parallel to BC. We have to find the first and we have to find AD in the second. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us see the diagram. I'll draw somewhat similar to the given. Look at that. First diagram, they have given a straight line like this, then one straight line like this, and then one like this. So this is a triangle, first one. What are the letters used, beta?
ABC, sir.
ABC, sir.
A, B, C. Yeah. In this, they said one line, straight line they have taken, beta. This is a straight line. What is marked?
DA,
D,
DB,
sir.
and A,
Yeah.
sir.
D here, E here. They said this is parallel to the base BC, right? And look at the diagram, beta. They have given some measurements. Can you tell me what are the measurements given in the diagram? Quick.
CA is equal
AD
to
is
1.
equal to 1.5, sir. BD is equal
AD
to
is
3,
equal
sir.
BD is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, beta.
And
Any
AE is equal to 1 centimeter, sir.
this is 1 centimeter. So students, analyze the question, very simple. One triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. There are four parts. One part 1.5, the second part 3, the third part 1 centimeter, fourth part CE. They are asking that one, EC. Am I right, beta?
yeah, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
concept is very simple. Apply the BPT. This parallel to this. Therefore, part by part left side is equal to part by part right side. Out of 4, 3 people are now, 1 person can be found very easily. Am I right, beta?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us begin with the answer. In a triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. What is the reason, beta?
It is given in the
Given,
question.
given,
Yeah,
sir.
beta. They have given. This is the data. They only said in the question. Once it is parallel, we will go for Thales. He said one statement. If a line is drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides proportionately. So I'll apply that one. This implies AD by BD must be equal to AE by CE. AE by CE you can write, EC you can write. It doesn't matter. Reason, beta. Tell me what I have to write.
BPT, sir.
BPT, sir.
BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now beta start substituting the values. What is AD value given?
1.5, sir.
1.5
Yeah.
by
BD is 3 equal to AE value is 1. EC value we have to find, so keep it as it is. Now beta cross multiplication. You know the method. Bring EC here. Send 3 here and then this one. 1 into 3 divided by 1.5. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want, it is 3 by 1.5. Beta, 1.5 and it is 3, double. You can cancel directly. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, final answer. How much you are going to get, beta?
Two,
EC is
sir.
equal to 2 centimeter.
2 centimeter, because everywhere the measurements are in the centimeters. Hence, we got the answer 2 centimeter. Students, copy quick, do it fast. But I'll give 1 minute of time. Will you try the second one? Quick. In the first main, second diagram. Quick. Okay, shall I erase better this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Let me change the diagram, whatever they have done. One bigger triangle they have given. Somewhat in this manner.
Sir.
Yeah, 2.4. Is it correct, beta? All of you check the answer?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay, students, look at the diagram. We will proceed with the answer. Second question is exactly similar to the first one. There is nothing great in that. Only tilted. The diagram, the direction of the triangle is little bit tilted. What is that? Look at it. ABC is a triangle. D is a parallel to BC. Let me show it symbolically. 4 parts, 2 left side, 2 right side. They have given 3 measurements. One is 1.8, the other one is 5.4, the other one is 7.2. We have to find AD value. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So beta, look at this. This sentence remains same. In triangle ABC, this is parallel to this given. So I applied the BPT. This is the condition. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Substitution will be different. AD I have to find, so as it is, BD 7.2 is equal to EE 1.8, EC 5.4. But AD I want, keep as it is, 1.8, 5.4 into 7.2. Students, here, look at this. All are the decimals at the tens place. Am I right? You can do directly, beta.
Yes.
18 ones are tables you can use, and then you can proceed with the division. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
else, how it can be done? Look at this. This can be written as 18 by 10.
Yes.
It can be written as 15 4 by 10. It is 72 by 10. AD value. Then the next step. AD is equal to this 18 by 10 as it is, beta. Multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. 10 by 54 into. This remains same. No change. 110 with 110. 18 ones are. Beta, tell me, 18 how much? Into?
Yes, sir.
3.
3. Yeah. But I think it is divisible by 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 twos are 6. 1 is remaining.
3
4s are
4s are
Yeah.
12. sir.
Yes,
Now it is
sir.
very convenient, beta. 24 by 10. What is the final answer?
2.4
sir.
centimeters.
2.4 centimeter. Students, here one important thing to be noted. This is my habit. I'll convert decimal into the fraction and I'll proceed further. If you are comfortable with the decimal, you can do it directly 2.4. There is nothing harm in that. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
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 Fine, beta. Let us move to the second main. Anusha, read, beta.
Yes, sir. E and F are points on the side PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. First, PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter, and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter.
Very good. Beta, all of you analyze, compare question number 1 and question number 2. Raise the hands in the chat box. What is the change, modification in both the questions? Quick, beta. Again, the same names are there. Anybody else, beta? Observe question number 1, question number 2. What is the change? Santoshi, tell beta.
Sir, in first question, they have already given that D is parallel to BC, sir. But in second one, we have to check it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anything more, beta? From your side, this is over. Yes.
Sir, and one more thing is there that there we have to find another one value, sir. Here all four values are given, sir.
Absolutely right, beta. No need of wasting much time in this. Number 1 and question number 2. If you see, these are nothing but forward direction and the reverse direction. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
In the first question, they gave one line, that is DE was parallel to BC. They gave already. But in the second question, they are asking us to check the parallelity, whether a particular line drawn in the triangle will be parallel to a particular side of a given triangle. Is that clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if we want to put it in the very simple words, first question based on BPT, second question based on
Converse of
Converse of
BPT.
BPT.
100%. Converse of BPT. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So let us proceed with the question. Rough diagram is not given. It is our duty to do it. So let us see what kind of rough diagram we require. E and F are the points on the sides of PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. So let me draw one triangle PQR. Question comes to shape. You take whatever shape you want, beta. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
I'm comfortable with this particular shape, so I'll go with this. P, Q, R. Now target two sides. Which are the two sides we have to target? PQ and
PR.
Yes,
P.
sir.
On PQ, you have to take a point E, beta. Getting my point?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
Yes, sir.
it may be exactly in the middle, anywhere. You can take anywhere. Then F on the other side, PR. But you can find it anywhere. You can take it down, up, center. It is left to you. I'll take somewhere here. In a diagram, it may look parallel, but don't decide by the diagram. We have to go according to the measurements. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this diagram remains the same for all the sub questions 1, 2, and 3. Are you getting my point? Same diagram will be used for all the 3 sub questions. I'm going to solve the first one and the last one. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now the first one. Look at the measurements. Anusha, read the measurements, beta.
Yes, sir. PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter. EQ is equal to 3 centimeter. PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter. and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter.
So beta, if you compare first with last is little bit difficult. You will come to know this is much simple. What is the concept? 4 values given. Make India, Pakistan. Left side, right side. Get the ratio of these two. One answer. Equation number 1. Get the ratio of these two. Other answer. Call it as equation 2. Then compare beta. If first equation answer is exactly same as the second equation answer, Zindabad. Zindabad means it is parallel to this. If no, Murdabad means it is not parallel to the QR. Got the concept beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us in the figure let PE by EQ, PE by EQ, 3.9 divided by 3. Students, can you tell me what will be the answer beta?
1.3, sir.
1.3.
1.3.
No need of converting into fraction beta. Directly you can do it. 1. Number 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And the other side, what is the ratio beta?
3.6 by 2.4.
Yeah, PF by FR. The value of PF given is 3.6 and it is 2.4. How to solve? Beta, look at this. No need of converting into the fraction because decimal places are same. Since they are same, directly you can write it as 36 by 24. It doesn't matter. 12 2s are 12 3s are. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what is the final answer? 3 by 2. How much? Beta, how much?
1.5, sir.
1.5, sir.
1.5. This is equation number 2. Beta, compare 1 and 2. Do you feel the answers are same?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
And again, beta, here you cannot be kind. Sir, margin of error, sir, only 0.2 is difference. Let us take it as parallel. Am I right?
No, sir.
No, beta. In mathematics, it cannot be done. So we will write from equations 1 and 2. This is 1.3, this is 1.5. So I can write the LHS of first equation is not equal to the LHS of the second equation. When the ratios of two parts, part by part is equal to part by part, are not equal, we can say EF is not parallel, to QR. Write down, students, quick, fast. Any doubts beta in this one?
No, sir.
So remember, we are applying the converse for BPT in this case. If part by part is equal to part by part, then it is parallel, otherwise not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, third one in the second main. Okay. Diagram is same beta. Am I right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Only the thing, we need to change the values according to the situation. Let us do it. Yeah. Tanuja, read the question beta, third one.
Yeah, sure. PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter, PR is equal to 2.56 centimeter, P is equal to 0.18 centimeter, and PF is equal to 0.36.
Okay, beta. Look at the measurements. The first measurement is PQ from here to here, 1.28. 1.28 centimeter from here to here. Complete PQ, complete PR. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, PR is given, PQ is given. Then the next one, PE, where is that? This one, beta. How much is given PE, beta?
0.18.
0.18, sir.
0.18 centimeter. Okay. The next measurement, PF. How
PF.
much?
0.36 sir.
Centimeter. So students, look at the concept here. Again, we need to check whether it is parallel to this or not. Okay. Beta, look at the change. Earlier, 4 parts have been given. The work was very easier. This by this by this. Directly we have done. But now, beta, one extra work we have to do. What is that? The whole part PQ is given, a part P is given. So this minus this, if you do, you'll get the EQ value. Am I right, beta?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, PR is given in the total 2.56. Remove PF, that is 0.36. You'll get some answer here. Once these two answers are ready, beta, you can go for the final battle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let us write the same thing. In the figure, directly, I'll write EQ, beta. In the figure, EQ is equal to PQ minus what, beta?
P, sir.
P. If I solve it, tell me the answers, beta. In 1.28, remove 0.18. How much?
1.1 sir.
1, sir.
1.1 is our answer. So we got the value of EQ. Let me show it. 1.1 centimeter. We have calculated, beta, so I'm making a round mark. Okay. Next. Similarly. Yeah, beta. Tell me what I have right. FR.
PR is equal to PF minus.
PR minus PF. PR, beta. Total 2.56 minus 0.36. Yeah. Can you tell me the answer, beta?
2.2
How
sir.
much is it?
2.2, sir.
2.2 sir.
2.2. But see, somewhat the interesting thing. 1122. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we calculated these two. Beta, write till here. Quick, I'll proceed further. Fast. Done? Now, take the ratio, beta. PE with EQ. Fast. PE with EQ is equal to, what is PE value they gave? 0.18. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
EQ we have found, we calculated 1.1. But I can see decimal places are different. It is at the 100 place, it is at the 10th place. So let us solve it further. 18 by 100, it is 11 by 10. If I want to solve it, 18 by 100 into 10 by 11. This 0 getting cancelled. Beta, solve and tell me the answer. Quick, how much you will get? Decimal value. Fast.
.16, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Zero 0.16. Beta, even though the decimals will be there, we will terminate only for the 2 digits. That is sufficient. Okay. Call it as equation number 1. Students, copy fast. I calculated the EQ, this part, and then FR, this part, using the concept. In a whole, remove one part from the whole, you'll get the other part. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I went for the first ratio as usual. Now I'll go for the second ratio, beta, right side. What is the ratio?
PF by FR is equal to 0.36 by 2.2.
Beta, tell the value 0.36 by 2.2. Again, the
2.2,
same
sir.
method. Yeah, but same method you follow. 36 by 100. Division becomes multiplication. 10 by 22. Beta, this 0 getting cancelled. Yeah.
0.16, sir.
0.16.
Again,
0.16,
are you
sir.
sure, beta? Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Here also we got 0.16. Here also we got 0.16. Am I right, beta?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Now, in this case, Zindabad or Murdabad?
Zindabad.
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 Yeah, let us write. From 1 and 2, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Since the two ratios are equal, it means the line EF is dividing the two sides of a triangle proportionately. Then, according to the converse of BPT, this implies EF is a par to QR. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast, quick. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Beta, copy, no problem. Beta, in the second main, I solved 1 and 3. The second question is the homework for you people. Very simple one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. With
Yes,
this,
sir.
beta, I'm going to end the session. Today evening, as usual, at 6:30 or 6:40, we will meet each other. I'll continue with the further questions of the same exercise 6.2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.